Welcome to the Animal AgTech Innovation Summit virtual platform. This video will show you how to best use the virtual event platform. You will be sent an email to log into the platform from hello@swapcard.com. Click on Let's Get Started. Once you're logged into the platform, the first thing to do is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you. But it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence in the platform favours profiles which are most complete. A profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it is important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, add information about your company and your skills. Displaying your skills will increase how many profile views you will receive. These can be real skills like product management or communication, but you can also add your industry and your department, for example. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you have updated your profile, head home and the My Event tab. Here you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, click on My Meetings to see if you have received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting, and once you have accepted it, it will be shown in My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to the time slot. The unavailable slots will no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you at these times. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Event page is where you'll be able to see your chosen sessions and roundtables, and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings. We'll come to these in turn. Back on the home page, click the Watch Live button. Here, you'll be able to see the live sessions and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timing and all timings shown throughout the platform adapt to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees who are also watching the session, ask questions to speakers, and answer any polls. Below the stream, on sessions that have speakers and sponsors, their profiles are linked. To see the whole schedule, click on the Agenda button. On the left, you can apply filters to search for either plenary sessions or specific tracks, and on the right, it will show you sessions that you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personalised schedule, click on the plus icon from the agenda, or on the session itself, click the Register button. And these will then be shown in My Event, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, watch them live by clicking on either the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. For that month afterwards, you can also continue to message speakers, exhibitors, and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. For networking, click on the One-to-One Meetings button to see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list people you should meet. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or filter the list by company type, country, or company. To connect with someone, click on their profile and click Send Connection Request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you are connected, you can then send that person a private message, and these connections are shown in My Event, My Networking. Schedule a meeting, a video. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select virtual, add a message, and click Send Meeting Request. and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the attendee's profile and also in My Event under My Meetings. And these can all be exported to your computer's calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them, as these will free up meeting slots. Your pending meetings will block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you'll have to cancel it and book a meeting at a different time. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. Messages, connections, reminders, and updates are all sent here. During the summit, regularly check the My Event and My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for an accepted scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button, and you can also click Start a Video Call, and it will appear next to the meeting in the My Schedule. Click to start the video call that will be hosted within the virtual platform. Back on the home page, click the Roundtables button. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you can sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people, where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can find the list of all of the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, add the session to your agenda, and it will appear in your schedule under My Events. When it is time for the roundtable to take place, open the roundtable session that you have registered for. Click on the link that will be added to the description, which will then take you to the roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as this will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone on the round table can talk to and see each other. Back on the home page, click the exhibition button. The list of sponsors is displayed with each having their own virtual booth and each linking information, documents, and social media. The sessions which sponsors are speaking at are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side and also book a meeting in the same way that you would with an attendee. On the top right, you can bookmark exhibition booths, which will link to My Event under My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representative is also linked to the exhibition booth, and by clicking on their name, it will direct you to their individual profile. The Startups page also shows information on the startup companies featured at the summit. And the chat room shows the general chat, which is open to everyone to share ideas and start conversations. The Rethink team will monitor the chat rooms, so if you have any questions about the event and the platform, you can ask these in the general chat. Finally, let's head back to the My Event page. So as you can see, all the sessions and roundtables that I have registered for now appear in my schedule, and my confirmed one-to-one meetings also appear here. You can export your whole schedule to your own computer's calendar by clicking the export button on the left-hand side. Don't forget to keep checking My Meetings to accept and decline and monitor pending meetings. My Networking will show the details of all the connection requests that have been made, and My Bookmark Companies shows the sponsored companies that you have saved. You can export all of this information to your calendar, and at the end of the event, you'll be able to download in a single PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.